How y'all doing? It's back to another carbon with Fefe. And I have a special guest, but I don't think he's going to be in my video.
Nope.
But let me tell you what I got. We went to Arbys. I got the loaded curly fries. It's got bacon, cheese sauce, some type of white sauce too. Tell you what else I got. He got the
classic
what?
Roast beef and cheese.
Classic roast beef and cheese. And then I ordered a jalapeno slider, a tender slider, pizza slider, turkey slider, and a large lemonade. I've never had the sliders before, so. And we're just up here waiting for my son's car to get ready. Hopefully it's ready today. But yeah, I'm parked in the middle of the service station, honey, because y'all, let me tell you, it's a little rant. Every time we call up here, we be on hold 20-30 minutes. Don't nobody pick up the phone and say how they still working on such and such. Nothing. I was like, yeah. So you know what? We drive it into the service center, and we're gonna sit here until we get an answer. They ain't had to call for a whole week. You got the right mama. I'm playing no damn reindeer games here. Some of these shops keep your car for 2-3 fucking weeks. Talking about, oh, shoot. No, you're not doing that. That'd be a no for me. What's that? I think I'm slightly embarrassing my son because I'm right here in the middle of the service station. Looking cockeyed and crazy at the service guy.
So many eyes.
They gonna look too. Get a damn answer. You gonna get a damn answer. Cause took me a whole 20 minutes and you ain't came back to the phone. I got lemonade, y'all. Alright. So this must be turkey slider, y'all. Look at that. Turkey slider. Roast beef slider. Come in these little containers. This is the pizza slider, y'all. I don't know why I ordered it. Okay. Oh, and down here they are $1.79. And then here's the chicken slider. They put cheese on everything. I like them. So, Arbys sauce. I'm not sure about the Arbys sauce, y'all. I got tangy barbecue, honey Dijon mustard, did you give me one Arbys sauce? Or another bag?
I was about to throw it at you, but you said it's gonna beat me up.
I'll put your ass. Just one?
Yeah.
What's that?
I think that's what we get.
What's that else in that bag?
3.
Okay. Well, do you plan on using them?
No.
They can bring them over here.
You want the bag too?
Keep playing. I'll take the bag too. And the napkin.
There is napkin.
Y'all, ooh.
I'm not being mean.
Anybody want a little adult?
Yeah. Okay. Alright. Yes, ma'am.
I don't know. What should go on the... I guess we do the... Let me do the roast beef first. The roast beef, y'all. See the... So we're going to put the... well... Let's see, y'all. It's almost like a ketchup. I don't know. Something. But let's get into it. Okay. Let's start. Oh. That's the jalapeno. It's a little hot. Can I do barbecue with the turkey or honey mustard with the turkey? No.
Honey mustard? Barbecue? Both? A barbecue with the chicken strip.
Barbecue chicken?
Yeah, then... Wait, I don't know, man. Yasmin who eats anything.
I can't find my honey mustard. Yeah. I'll do the honey mustard.
Your mom needs you.
Slider.
Alright. We're looking at...
I'm looking at a big fat discount now.
Looking at... You work tomorrow?
I work 7 days a week.
Looking at about 9 o'clock in the morning.
Now, what was wrong with it again?
The ECM, the
What's that?
engine control module, which is the worst module that could have went out. That's the one that communicates. You got about 4 or 5 of them in the car. ECM, TCM, BCM, IPDM. The ECM is the engine control module. That's the one that when you're pushing the button and all that, you know, it's, hey, I'm here. And it starts communicating everything. That's why when all your lights come on the dash, everything lights up, and then once it communicates with everything, the lights start going off one by one.
Okay.
When one of the lights don't go off, that's the one that is not communicating.
But you got the part.
Oh, the part is, yeah, they took the cars apart. You got the part. You just gotta put everything, take the other part out. You have to take the old ECM, download that information to the new one, because if you don't do that, then it loses all its programming. And then the car is not going to be able to relearn itself.
Okay.
So that's our biggest issue, was the computer download issue.
You couldn't call and tell me this. You remember how? You remember how we?
I called youngster. Well, I called him.
Did you call him and tell him?
I said I should know something. I don't know if I said I should know something or to be ready by 5 o'clock.
Okay. It's 5:48.
I know I called.
It's 5:48. It's not raining.
And then you see, every time you come here, you see I be on something.
Tomorrow, 9 o'clock in the morning.
Yes.
You know, y'all cost me a lot of money to have to keep coming up here.
I don't like egg on my face. Cause I got to fade all these stories they give me, but this is the legit truth.
You sure? You sure?
I am positive.
Okay. I'll be back. Believe me.
So, yeah.
It's gonna be alright, y'all.
Listen.
I feel good sit there like,
yeah,
you take care of it. It's back there in the stall right now. I know Mama don't do no playing.
No, ain't no sense of sugarcoating nothing. Just be honest.
Yeah, but that's the honest God truth.
Antonio, I'ma call tomorrow. What time you come in?
I be in at 9.
Okay.
I be in at 8 if you bring them slides with you.
No, listen here. Who comes in at 8?
I don't know. But yeah, I'll be in at 9.
Okay. Well, don't worry. I'll be on your phone line or something.
Yeah,
Dang. You gonna have to. I'm in the office by myself tomorrow.
okay, it's fine.
All right.
I'll Uber here.
Okay. All right. Tomorrow at 10 o'clock. I need my baby boy.
I got you.
Okay.
I got it.
I ain't playing.
I'm finna go back there now and have them, at least get as close to finished as possible.
Don't make me close my clinic down. The patients will be mad.
No, don't do that.
Okay.
I got you.
Okay. Bye.
All right, see y'all.
See ya. My vibe.
Okay, y'all. Sorry, but guess what? They saying tomorrow now. Okay. Whose mama will roll up on you? Miss Fefe.
Unfortunately, mine's
I sure the hell will.
overly aggressive.
Put me on fucking home. All right, y'all. Y'all have a good one. Bye.